Got Tropical Storm Fay. You can see that flood over there. We were just going in there playing with it. It's fun. Go out there and play. It was really very, very fun. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's see. Shoot. Take a look at that. Tropical storm. Wow. Sure. Yeah, I made a river. Golf course over there. Let's get a better view. Hope my line's perfect. Alright, see that? See that over there? That's the lake. The flood went all the way down to there. We walked all through it. It was fun. You should go check out Storm Fay. It will soon become rare footage. And that's about it. Thank you.